Welcome to Futurestar. Glad you could make it. Come on in. We moved from our old place, which had about 11,000 square feet, into 14,000 square feet, so almost a 25% increase with what we had at the previous location. This space was built out so that we have a lot of capacity to expand and grow into. We filled the other place up in a matter of years, and our goal now is to fill this place up, and hopefully that's what our distributors are going to help us with. Our R&D center, engineering, we've got a dedicated area which is about 50% greater than our old place. As mentioned, flow controllers, that's the largest part of the business segment that we see coming and that has a need for, and with our auto valve we're addressing that need. So what we've done is we have 3 isolated or independent workstations to allow us to develop solutions with our auto valve for different applications. We can use double diaphragm pumps, we can use centrifugal or stable pressure systems, and allow us to work on multiple different applications at the same time. Everything is relatively automated in that there's air-operated flipper valves that will respond in a hundredth of a second. So, and it's all computer controlled, so basically once they push a button, everything is automated, and it takes the potential for human error out of the calibration process. Our facilities DI water system, a lot greater capacity, 65 gallons per minute, up to almost 250 liters per minute. So it can handle multiple high performance or high flow products at the same time. Let's take a look at our clean rooms now. As I mentioned earlier, we've increased our capacity when we moved to this space from our older location. It's allowed us a lot more flexibility and allowed us to much more greater efficiency in our manufacturing process. It used to be that we had everybody and everything being made in the same general area. Well, now we've isolated it. We have our auto valve and iFlow and more electronic components or products are manufactured and tested in this area, and our more traditional products, the Pathfinder and Odyssey series flow meters, the paddle wheel flow meters are manufactured here. So now we have different inventories, but the parts are all different. So there is no common thing other than fitting nuts, and it's easy for us to have that. Also, the flow paths are easy. The parts come in through a pass-through either over here or here for the auto valve area. They go in, they get put into inventory, and then the flow is circular throughout the whole workstation, coming back to the pass-through before it goes out. So once the parts come in, they stay in our clean rooms. We use 18 megohm DI water while we're doing our calibration, our testing, pressure testing, leak testing with N2. So our goal is that the parts come in clean. We want to keep them clean, and when we ship them out, they can go right into somebody's clean. Part of our investment to support product development in order to expedite that process, we have a machine shop. I mentioned the CNC equipment, so we have a CNC lathe, CNC mill, then a manual mill, a manual lathe, drill press, and we have calibration equipment and test equipment, so we can make sure that product is made to the tolerances that we want and the dimensions that we want. So it's very critical, because when we give our prints to our suppliers, we want to make sure that they're as accurate and precise as possible. Thank you for taking time today to visit Futurestar's facility. It's very much appreciated. Our investment here has allowed us to increase our capacity, enhance our efficiencies, and improve new product development efforts. Together with our suppliers and distributors, this allows Futurestar to achieve its mission of setting industry standards.